Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we start March today, and what we're seeing is, we've seen Monday belonged to the bulls. The bears rejected yesterday, Tuesday's move. They rejected yesterday's move. The bears have actually made two nice rejections of bull moves up. You can see the daily mid-band is trying to be support this morning. We've got a new monthly pivot down at 26.95. Our overnight low is 26.98. I need to see the interplay between the daily mid-band down in the 05, 04.75 area and 26.95. There's been plenty of volatility overnight. So the volatility not going anywhere. We've talked about this before. So 26.95 up to 27.05 is going to be the delineator for me about who's in control. The Bears have a really good opportunity to convert the daily mid-band. And that's the only way we're getting back to sell rallies from buy dips. We are back in a buy dips mode. We've been back in a buy dips mode since they blew it here, right? 4 days worth of resistance. They blew it. They took it up. Support at the daily mid-band. And so far, support at the daily mid-band. So you need to start to see it living below the green line instead of above the green line. So we've printed 98 just before 7 o'clock in the morning. They've rallied it up as high as 16. I'm flat. I'm kind of, I'm easing into the day, which I typically do on the first of the month anyway, especially coming off, a month and a year that we've had so far. I want to see how the first day of the month plays out. I'm not a big believer in first day of the month stuff, but I'm going to let it open up today and see. It remains a fantastic trading tape. There's nothing to suggest that that's going to go away. We've done some massive months. I mean, we've never missed a month at Princeton Trader as far as the goals that we've set out. I think maybe once in 5-6 years, however long we've been doing this. And that was, I think we did, and instead of our 80, I think we did 67 or something of that nature. And we've had record months before, but we've never had a month like February. It's a byproduct of the tape. It's a byproduct of the tape, and it's a byproduct of the mantra that we have that we don't fight the tape. I did a subscriber webinar Tuesday after the close about the psychology of entering trades and the psychology of entering trades in fast markets. We've got a lot of really good feedback on that, and I'm considering turning that into a public webinar. I'll just release the recording. I've had a lot of inquiries about trials in the chat room. We've had a ton of new people sign up, a ton of new people convert to paid subscribers. What I would say to you is this. There's never been a better time to join because you've got a lot of new people to learn with, and this whole group of people that are learning together, and the feedback has been tremendous. So if you're on the fence about coming on in, come on in. Come sign up, come check us out. If you trade this stuff all the time, if this is what you do, whether you do it for a living or you do it part-time, I think you'll like what you find. Okay, so now as far as the hourly chart is concerned, you see the new monthly pivot down here at 95. Last month's monthly pivot was up at 93. We traded as high as 90. That rejected. Yesterday's pop rejected. You've had these directional downward afternoons. I'll be interested to see if we get another one. You see the hourly mid-band. Every time the hourly bands have tightened up in any respect, and they did midday yesterday, it tends to resolve in favor of the bears. Bearish resolve, bearish resolution. 2 bearish resolutions in 2 sessions. If you start to see them tighten up in the afternoon, I think that your lean needs to be to the downside. If they do take it down, the critical thing is, can they take out the new monthly pivot? They're trying to hold weekly pivot as resistance, and they're doing a pretty good job. This little test of the hourly mid-band is going to be interesting. But I will be fascinated to see where we close today. You've got right in here at 27.05, you've got your daily mid-band, so you can see this 10-handle band of price. And how that 10-handle band of price behaves is going to have a lot to do with who has the advantage this afternoon into tomorrow. All right, Everybody have a fantastic day. We're going to do some stuff Twitter, Instagram. I did a wrap-up video last night. It was out kind of late, so check out social for that, and I will catch everybody then. Have a great day. Trade 'em well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.